And I'm back. And I'm looking at the chart action for Ford again. I'm going to do a quick video update. So I'm looking at the monthly time frame right here. And this looks, I really like this. This is looking really good. I like the way this exponential moving average is looking too. This is like honestly, when I'm looking at the exponential moving average, I like to look at like these scoops, and it'll be under it and it'll ride below it, but this scoop will be forming, and then you can kind of see it. Usually it kind of does like this, and then the price goes into it and it just goes up. But yeah, that I like the way that looks. Let me see what it looks like on the daily and all these other time frames. Yeah, okay, so it looks like we got a nice pump, and then we're correcting down. Maybe we'll touch this and bounce off of it. Hopefully, let's hope we can keep that trend going up. And let's go to the hourly, do a smaller time frame, and kind of check out like these targets for today. I think I saw a like rising or falling wedge, which is like basically what my logo is. So if you do something like this, and then something like this. If you look at my logo, it's basically the same thing. And then so that would put you either at the top of this, or I would say draw this and pull it to the breakout, wherever that is. I don't know where the breakout's going to be, maybe. Yeah, so I mean, I'm not sure. Sometimes, like a falling wedge, I don't know. A triangle target is more conservative than trying to get to the full top of the wedge, which I think is the target. So, I mean, in case, what am I trying to say here? I would just use this triangle pattern, this triangle target right here at the breakout. It looks like it's getting some support right here, and it'll probably maybe break out right here, something like that. So let's see if we could get a target of 1188 going for this next round. Hopefully it actually does break through this moving average. This is the hourly. Are we on the... Oh, actually, look at that. We actually have to break through this daily moving average before we can head back up. It might not be today. Probably will not be today. I don't know. Oh, actually, look at the hourly though. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, it's under it on the 4 hour. Something's pushing it up though. Is the weekly pushing it up? Maybe the weekly's in charge. That's why sometimes on the smaller time frames, it's like you don't really know what's going to happen until it really. Oh, and look at the golden cross right here. I think that's what it is. It's definitely a good cross, not a bad cross. So, but yeah, I think let's draw another trend line going something like that. Maybe it'll come down and touch this thing like this, or maybe make something. I don't know. Let's see what it looks like though. I would maybe have a target of 1188 though. It's going in an uptrend. Watch the volume too. We could watch the volume. The volume is declining, so declining volume usually indicates a move once it starts pumping. So it'll break through this, and then maybe it'll go up or down. But this pattern is bullish, I believe. But yeah, it looks like a falling wedge. So I don't know. Just something to keep your eye on and take a look at. It looks So with this stock, for me, bigger time frame, long time frame. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Years, maybe a couple years, like a year. Maybe this. It'll take a while though. I mean, so I bought in around these areas, and it's the same thing with these. Like when I saw this, I just thought like these levels were undervalued for Ford. I don't. I mean, if you look at the chart too, it's like this is just undervalued, and it still is. I don't. I mean. But maybe, I mean, it just seems like it according to the chart. I mean, like, look at the downside to the upside potential. I mean, I don't know that it's gonna go up. I don't know if it has the fundamentals behind it. I know they're doing some stuff. I can't. I'm not able to lay all that stuff out for you guys. I have been reading some stuff on it, but I'm not like. I don't want to talk about the news. So if you guys want to do the comments I mean, if you want to talk about the fundamentals in the comments, that'd be awesome. But I guess that about does it for this one. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to keep up to date. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.